Hey guys, it's me Reuben, and here are 6 cool things about studying and living here in Sweden. Cliche as it may sound, but I would say that Sweden is by far one of the most beautiful countries I have ever been to. I am basically living in the southern part of Sweden called the Skåne region and only been to a few cities. But I am amazed by how every city has its own unique vibe. Like for example, when I am in Helsingborg, it has this small town, idyllic, historical vibe to it, in contrast with Malmö, which has a modern, fast, urban vibe. And you never know what surprise you get whenever you're in a new city. The people here are really nice, and the roads are clean and wide, everything is structured and organized, and you can get around in the city pretty easy. And that is why another thing that fascinates me about Sweden is their transportation. You would be surprised how efficient and comfortable it is getting around in Sweden. You can go for a train ride or a bus ride without worrying because it's reliable and safe. But what I like most is how sustainable their transport system is. They use renewable energy like biofuels and electricity on their buses. No wonder why Sweden is known for their love for the environment. It's also pretty common for people here to take a walk, take the bicycle going to school, because I think it's more practical and more environmentally friendly. And I think personally, if you're new to the city, the best way to see its beauty would be to go for a walk or take the bicycle instead. Believe me guys. There is even a local campaign here years ago encouraging residents not to take unnecessary car journeys, which makes sense because even the smallest thing that we can contribute to the environment can have a huge impact if imagine all of us are actually doing it. It is also quite surprising for me that most of the stores or restaurants here do not accept cash, and it's pretty impressive to see how a cashless society works. And for me, I think it's convenient, much safer and efficient because you don't have to bring your cash every time. I have also observed that they take their coffee breaks here seriously, and they even have a name for it. For sure, some of you might already know what I'm talking about. Yep, it's fika. Well, technically, it's not just a coffee break, but rather it's more of simply slowing down and enjoying simple things in life over a cup of coffee and some pastries or sweets. And you can enjoy it with a friend, family, or anybody. And I just love it. I also like how student-friendly universities are here in Sweden. Swedish universities provide individualized support to students with disabilities, and there is no room for discrimination. Aside from that, what impressed me about Swedish universities would be the diversity of people coming from all over the world. It's just so international, and I love it how people from different walks of life come together in one place to study and reach their own individual goals in life. I remember during our introduction program at my university, whenever I get a chance to meet new people, they would always be coming from a different background or a different country. And it's quite amazing to imagine how much connection you can make from people from all over the world, both personal and professional connections. Well, that's it for my first impression about studying and living here in Sweden. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red button down below, and also click the bell so you can be the first to know if we here in Study in Sweden upload new videos. And if you like and enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Hej då!